Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting Gemini and your photos ready. Sign in to the Google account that has Gemini access. Make sure permissions for camera and photos are granted. Choose 2 to 5 clear, high-resolution images showing both people from different angles, because diverse inputs produce better composite results. Once done, open Gemini's image editor and create a new session. This is where you'll combine the images. Make sure to label which person is which, since Gemini uses that mapping to preserve facial features accurately. You now upload the images into the same Gemini project and tag faces so the model knows which subject to preserve. Use the Align tool to match eyes and mouth positions. This ensures features blend naturally. Adjust head tilt and scale so both faces sit in similar frames, because alignment reduces ghosting and artifacts. Then normalize exposure and color temperature across photos. Consistent lighting avoids odd skin tones. After alignment, run a quick preview to check for obvious mismatches before proceeding to the merge. You complete the merge by running Gemini's composite function, picking a blending strength that balances realism with identity preservation. Once the base composite appears, use local brush tools to restore hairlines, fix teeth, and tidy edges. Small fixes make a big difference. If artifacts appear, reduce blend or re-upload alternate source photos and realign. Export the final image at highest resolution, save the session for future tweaks, and double-check permissions if you plan to share. If merging fails, retry with better aligned photos and corrected exposure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.